pay on Too Good To Go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay on your Too Good To Go app. So first of all you have to do is just come to your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply search for Too Good To Go app and just install the application in your device. And once you are done installing the application, just click on open and open the application. And if you already have an account, just go ahead and log in with your credentials. And if you don't have an account on Too Good To Go, just simply have to make an account for yourself, like I'm doing right here. So I'm just continuing with Google. Just allow all the cookies and terms and conditions of the Too Good To Go app, and just select your country. And after that just allow the terms and condition of the application, and just choose the account with which you want to log in with in your Too Good To Go app. And after that you are in the application, and once you are in the app, in order to see the payment method in your Too Good To Go app, you need to click on this Me section or your profile section from the below right corner of your mobile screen. And after that over here you will be able to see different options like your orders, settings, store logins, help center, legal and blogs. So just simply click on settings, and here you will be able to see the settings details, and here your account settings will be opened, where you can see the option called account details, payment cards, voucher, notification and hidden stores. So you simply have to click on payments cards, and here you will be able to see the payment method option like your payment card. So it says that you can add a payment card to your account during checkout. So basically the way to pay on your Too Good To Go app is to select any product that you would want to purchase from your Too Good To Go app, and while checking out from your device you just have to add a card, for example your credit card or your debit card or any other gift card that you have which can be used for your Too Good To Go app. You can add that card while checking out, and then this is how you will be able to add a payment method here. So this is how you will be able to pay on your Too Good To Go app quite simply. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.